welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the license plate recognition car using machine learning. So let's run the project. Okay, Python space detector py -f1 device CPU. Okay, then hit enter. The model will load. So we have to select the images folder. Okay, just go back and then select this folder. Okay, the images will work one by one. Okay, so these are the testing images which we are giving as input. Okay, and in the runs folder, detect and runs folder, okay, like it is detecting right now, you can see. So it will detect and it will also extract the license number from the license plate. Okay, it is detecting one by one. Images will take less time, and if you give the input as video, then it will take bit more time comparison to the image. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, OpenCV, Django, Android. If you are in doubt, then you can comment in comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, now you can see that all the images stored in that folder. So these are the complete images. Let's check one by one. Okay, it is fetching the number from license plate. So whenever we give the input as image, then it will extract the number from license plate. This is the output of video. So it is detecting and extract a number from the license plate. Okay, it works like that on the video. So thank you for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.